Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. All Aafia movement supporters around the globe, all friends of Aafia, all teams of Aafia. You must all by now have heard the news that our petition was denied at the very last moment. Our job was to get it to the desk. It reminds me of something that Aafia had said, that why are we seeking clemency? I haven't done anything, and if you want mercy from someone, then why would you ask President Biden for it? Because Allah is the most merciful, the Rahman and the Rahim. He should be the one granting us mercy. And I said it will be through Allah, but we have to do the worldly means, and we have won your case in the court of public opinion. Millions of people out there are rooting for you and are praying and are signing petitions to get you out because they believe in your innocence. It doesn't matter what this one person thinks or not thinks, but it is an easy way to get you out. She said, okay, if you think so. But looking at her face and then coming out, I realized that maybe this was not meant to be at all. But I had given her the hope, and I left her hopeless. I mean, I wish I hadn't, but anyway. That's the only thing, the regret I have. Otherwise, with all of you and how you selflessly supported the cause because it was near and dear to your heart. Has Allah not accepted this? Have we forgotten that our Allah is Hayyul Qayyum? And yet He is Wadud. He is Wadud. He loves us more than 70 mothers put together. How can He ever forsake Aafia? His dear Aafia. No, but let us look at this as another chance that Allah has given us to do more, to earn more blessings, because when we do something for someone selflessly, it is only and only Allah who blesses us, who gives us from where we cannot even imagine. He is the sustainer. I was reading in Surah Yusuf, and Imam Sheikh Asif Hirani actually did a PhD on Surah Yusuf, and he reminded me of how, Hazrat Yusuf wanted to get out of jail, how he had appealed to his fellow prisoner who was being released to put in a word for him, to get him pardon, to get him out. But he had forgotten, subhanAllah, and for years again, Hazrat Yusuf was still left in the jail, till when Allah had willed. And when Allah had willed, nobody could stop it. And how did he come out? And what did Allah gift him with? It's amazing, subhanAllah, wa ta'izzu man tasha. So we don't know. Allah is Latifun Khabir. He does things subtly. We don't know this momentum, where it's meant to go, but we do know it has come from our hearts, and it is going to Allah directly, and it has moved the heavens, and we can see, just look at the wave of successes we are seeing. Look at all those people who came out from the Israeli jails. Just imagine, look at those women, both sides, the joy. Alhamdulillah, inshallah, Aafia will also come out. We will go on to plan B and plan D, but we will not lose hope. Please, I have not lost hope. So please, all I'm asking you is to please stay steadfast, stay with me, join us for plan B, and please continue the support, for Allah has accepted this, and for me, this is the beginning of our success. Please do not be disheartened, And please give yourselves a tap on the back. And as my mother always said, wasta'inu bis-sabri was-salah. Let's all thank Allah for everything that He has given us and for the opportunity to continue to work and to continue to get more rewards. Allah Hafiz.